Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Maria Mercy P. Sereno, 27 years old, married, and I have 3 children from Philippines. I have had work experience as domestic helper for 3 years. I take care of children and their age is 8 years old and 9 months old. My duties are to take them a bath, change them a diaper, prepare them a milk and food, and also play with them. I have also work experience as caretaker in Taiwan for 1 year. I take care of 2 dementia patients and my duties to them is to take them a bath, changing a diaper, do the laundry, clean the house, and also cook for them. Loving, kind, dedicated, responsible, and love your kids as my own, that's what I am. And if you will hire me, I will make sure that your kids is safe to me. To my future employer, I will look forward to work with you and be part of your family and have a nice day. Thank you.